Welcome to the Home Cool Gadgets channel, where you can find the latest gadgets that came in the market.
Back-end plays are so much more than just a travel bed. We use ours as a play yard, a place for our baby to relax, and a safe spot to set him down while we get things done around the house like cleaning, showering, and getting dressed. That all to say, they are also a definite must-have if you love to travel like us. To save your time and money, we've completed our research and review 5 different models of Pamo Pack and Play on the market. You can see the link to the products in the description of the video below.
Number 1.
Easy to put the play yard together and fold it. And it is equipped with carry bag and can be used as a travel crib for outdoor use. Comes with storage basket for the changing diaper and essential travel stuffs. This baby play yard is perfect for travel. Pamo Babe 4-in-1 Baby Playpen accompanies the growth of your baby. The design of the diaper table allows the mother to easily change diapers, and the comfortable play yard provides a place for the baby to rest. The 27.6 inches by 15.7 inches by 18 inches detachable baby bassinet can be used on or off the nursery center. You can use it with the play yard, or take it apart to use. It's more convenient for you to carry, and you can keep baby by your side wherever you go. In addition, the 3 hanging toys on the baby bassinet can make your baby fall asleep while also promoting the baby's visual development and improving the grasping ability. This portable baby play yard comes with the lockable wheels for easy movement and stay still to be served as bedside bassinet. And it is equipped with mesh walls for adequate ventilation and easy babysitting. The sturdy frame is made of iron tubes, which supports up to 31 pounds. 4 round corners avoids bumping and scratching.
Number 2.
Four-in-one multi-function toddler play yard for more room to play or sleep, infant bassinet, newborn bassinet and diaper changer for quick and easy diaper changes. Easy to assemble. Beware of operation order. Firstly, pull up 4 sides, secondly press down the bottom of the playpen. Easy to fold. Beware of operation order. Firstly, pull up the drawstring of the bottom, secondly pull down the 4 sides of the playpen. Portable carrying bag, convenient for parents to carry. Your little one can also sleep and play in a familiar and comfortable playpens at any time and anywhere. This play yard has breathable mesh for you to keep an eye on your baby and provide a steady flow of air for your baby.
Number 3.
Three-in-one multi-function toddler play yard for more room to play or sleep, full-size infant bassinet, and diaper changer for quick and easy diaper changes. Easy to assemble. Beware of operation order. Firstly, pull up 4 sides, secondly press down the bottom of the playpen. Easy to fold. Beware of operation order. Firstly, pull up the drawstring of the bottom, secondly pull down the 4 sides of the playpen. For baby's safety, breathable mesh around the play yard provides an easy to reach and easy to view spot. Wheels with brakes for baby's safety. Portable carrying bag, convenient for parents to carry. Your little one can also sleep and play in a familiar and comfortable playpens at any time and anywhere.
Number 4.
Pamo Babe versatile cribs cater to your many needs and accompany your child's growth. Multifunctional baby travel play yard, combined with cradle bed, changing table, cute toys and activity center. The smooth rounded corners prevent children from being injured by collisions. The breathable mesh not only keeps the baby safe, but also makes it easier for parents to look after their baby. Super easy assembly. Very functional. The play bed can be easily assembled without any tools. The spacious space allows babies to practice standing and playing after removing the cradle. Pamo Babe Baby Playpen folds quickly, is easy to pack, and comes with a travel bag that fits in the trunk of your car, perfect for family trips or visiting friends. This childcare center is composed of a sturdy frame and thick fabrics, which can accommodate babies up to 33 pounds. There are 2 wheels with brakes at the bottom of the crib, which can move flexibly.
Number 5.
The design of the changing table allows the mother to easily change diapers, and the comfortable bassinet provides a place for the baby to rest. The storage bag will provide you everything when you're ready to change diaper for your baby. There are 2 wheels with brakes at the bottom of the baby play yard so that it can move flexibly. This nursery center is composed of strong frame and thick fabric so that it can hold the baby weights up to 33 pounds. The changing table, storage bag, bassinet and canopy can be easily removed from the baby Playard. And the Playard can be quickly folded up without extra tools. The handbag helps you store the folded crib and take the crib out for travel. The detachable canopy can protect your child's eyes from strong light. The two hanging toys can attract the baby's attention, not only promoting the baby's visual development but also improving the grasping ability. Easy to put the Playard together without any tools. The mesh design provides a better visibility for parents to observe the baby at any time. The wide space allows the baby to practice standing and playing after removing the bassinet.